everyone, I'm Petallo from Group 610 Endurance. We are going to discuss to you is a periscope. As you can see, this is a periscope. But what is a periscope? A periscope is an instrument for observation over, around, or through an object, obstacle, or condition that prevents direct line of sight observation from observer's current position. How can it be used in everyday life? Well, we see this normally in submarines to see nearby threats and targets on the surface of water and air. But what else? It can also be used in observing a nuclear reactor to see the chemical reactions, while in the military to observe hiding positions and inspect their surroundings.
Hi! Today, we will let you know all about Periscope, how it is made, how it works, and all about it. First, what does a periscope looks like? Its essential parts are a tube, prisms, lenses, and mirrors. The image is received in one mirror and reflected through the tube, with its lenses to a mirror visible to the viewer. Tube serves as the body of the periscope. Periscope incorporates lenses for magnification and function as telescopes. They typically employ prisms and total internal reflection instead of a mirror. Because prisms, which do not require coatings on the reflecting surface, are much more rugged than mirrors. Periscope lens works much like a periscope on a submarine. Light enters the front element and is then reflected 90 degrees by an angled mirror. Light reflects on a mirrors, and it is important that the mirrors are placed 45 degrees angle because light always reflects away from a mirror at the same angle it hits it. These are the following people who contributed in making Periscope. Hippolyte Marivedi was the one that invented the first naval periscope that consists of a vertical tube and two small mirrors fixed at 45 degrees angle at each end.
Hi, I'm Kurt Ashley Dela Cruz. So for today, tatakil natin ang periscope, uses and purposes. So, first off, periscopes are also served in World War I to enable soldiers to see over the tops of trenches, thus avoiding exposure to an enemy fire. It is also used in armored fighting vehicles, especially underwater vehicle. Periscopes in World War is an instrument for observation over, around, or through an object, or a condition that prevents direct line of sight observation from an observer's current position. Different kinds of periscopes: Gundlach and Vickers 360-degree periscope. Rotary periscope incorporated a rotating top with a selectable additional prism which reversed the view. This allowed a tank commander to obtain a 360-degree field of view without moving his seat. Periscope gun sights. Introduced during the Second World War, the Vickers periscope was provided with sighting lines, enabling front and rear prisms to be directly aligned to gain an accurate direction. The periscope sight was linked to the gun itself. Modern specialized AFB periscopes. In modern use, it provides night vision, provides standard unity vision periscope functionality for normal daytime viewing of the vehicle surrounding, plus the ability to display digital images from a range of on-vehicle sensors and cameras including thermal and low light, such that the resulting images appears embedded internally within the unit and projected at a comfortable viewing position.
So, how does a periscope work? A periscope. Let's look around wall, corners, and other obstacles. In a periscope, light from an object strikes the top mirror at 45-degree angle and bounces off at the same angle. This sends light directly toward down the tube and onto the lower mirror. This mirror is also at a 45-degree angle, reflects light directly to your eye. Periscopes allow submarine to see underwater. And as you can see, did you ever find submarine that they have a thing like this in their head? That's a periscope, guys. And when submerged at a relatively shallow depth, to search visually for nearby targets or threats. On the surface of the water and in the air, they can use it when they're floating, guys. And when not in use, a submarine's periscope retracts into the hull. Submarines adopted periscopes early.